Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to change your ringtone on an iPhone. First, we'll change the default ringtone, and then we'll also look at how to change the ringtone for individual contacts. To get started, open Settings. Next, tap Sounds and Haptics. At the top of the Sounds and Vibrations options, choose Ringtone. You can then go through the different sounds and choose your new ringtone. If you still can't find a ringtone inside of here, you can also choose Tone Store, choose Tones, and then search through and purchase new ringtones. Make your choice, and then this will change the default ringtone for everyone. Next, we'll look at how to change the ringtone for individual contacts in your iPhone. Close Settings and then open Contacts. Scroll through and choose the person that you want to customize. Tap Edit on the top right of the Contacts page. Next, choose Ringtone, and you can again choose from all of the available ringtones on your phone. When you're ready, hit Done on the top right. And that's how you change the default and individual contacts ringtones on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.